Flatwire represents a novel approach to electrical wiring, characterized by its thin profile and suitability for surface mounting. Unlike conventional wiring methods that necessitate running cables within walls, flatwire can be affixed directly to wall surfaces and concealed with wallpaper or taping compound. This eliminates the often laborious and time-consuming process of snaking wires through wall cavities. While still in its developmental stages, flatwire holds substantial promise for transforming electrical wiring practices, offering the potential for simpler and faster installations across diverse applications. A key advantage of flatwire is its capacity to be installed after the walls are erected. Electricians can defer wiring until the drywall is in place and the rooms are painted. This offers time and cost savings while mitigating the risk of wall damage during the wiring phase. Although not yet commercially available, flatwire is anticipated to enter the market soon and is expected to gain popularity among electricians and homeowners due to its benefits. Firstly, flatwire offers ease and speed of installation, surpassing traditional wiring in terms of efficiency, leading to reduced labor expenses. Secondly, it allows for installation after walls are up, saving time and preventing potential wall damage. Thirdly, it demonstrates versatility, accommodating residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Fourthly, it presents a cost-effective alternative to conventional wiring solutions. The properties of flatwire have the potential to revolutionize electrical wiring installations. The benefits include simplified and rapid installation, the ability to install after wall construction, versatile applications, and cost savings, which positions it as a promising innovation in the field. It is important to note that the acceptance and implementation of flatwire will depend on adherence to relevant electrical codes and standards, ensuring safety and compliance in electrical installation. Electricians and homeowners should consult local regulations and guidelines when considering the use of flatwire in their projects.